this journey to experience the favored styles of tech visionaries while finding inspiration to create your own oasis of tranquility and modernity. Discover a harmonious fusion of cutting-edge technology, minimalist elegance, and luxurious comfort set against serene backdrops of forests, lakes, and majestic mountains. Each living room design exudes sophistication and innovation, capturing the essence of these visionaries' dynamic lifestyles. Immerse yourself in the seamless integration of state-of-the-art technology, ensuring that convenience and modernity remain at the forefront of these spaces. Minimalist aesthetics take center stage, allowing the beauty of simplicity to shine through. Clean lines and uncluttered spaces create an atmosphere of calm, providing the perfect canvas for the breathtaking natural views that these living rooms offer. As you explore these living rooms, you'll find a profound appreciation for the use of natural materials. Wood, stone, and other earthy elements seamlessly blend with the sleekness of modern technology, creating a balanced and harmonious design that reflects both innovation and an affinity for the natural world. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts as we delve into these unique and inspiring living room designs.